Hello audience, welcome to new another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 2073 reconnect problem. Okay, fix it. Now click your phone settings. Now scroll down. Now apps. Now search Roblox. Now click Roblox. Now scroll down. Now click storage, clear cache and clear data. Now click all permission all allow. Now click go to your Play Store. Now search Roblox, check update. My Roblox already updated. Open your Roblox. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave. Open your game. By doing process, you can successfully your problem solved. Thank you for my watching. Now subscribe my YouTube channel.